RiKhasi ba JINGKYLLA yo ka FASToM kalarai ben WENG no JINGIAKHIH jongka ringkat pat bar ke jingai kan tuye ka sarkar ban pen kewi ka tulop jongkinai ka school ad hoc the 100% man la ka snem watla ka rai ka kinhun menteri kampat kinhun ye barok kinai ka school ad hoc na markim shimla yo kumba kila khmi lenti hindai kala dei pat ka wei ka sen jam jong ka jingjob lo ong ba me bon lingdo unong ai ktin jong ka FASToM.
We will call off this agitation today. But there's one thing. The 5% of enhancement, of increment that the government says it is yet to take a decision, we are going to have a dialogue with the government. We are having a dialogue with the government. The leaders will stay because today we might have a dialogue with the government. So we will keep on imploring on this 5%. However, I want you to not be sad anymore. Be happy. There is a victory that you have just won. And let us remember one thing. We want so much more than the money. We want the love of the people. We want the love of those people we have never seen before. These strangers who have come to help. We want their love. We want the love of all of these pressure groups who have come forward, give us food, give us the terpals, give us the protection. All of them. I cannot name them, but I would like to thank all of them. The reason why we can still sleep safe and sound here, it's because they are somewhere watching over us.
Ubame bonding do habakren hakane ksni ulo ongru baka FASToM kan yai train ka benta ban pen kalai ka PULE PUTHI ha ka jala meglaya bar kumjoru ulo ong badei bandon tang lai jat kinoi kai hapo ka jala kata kinoi kai school sarkar kinoi kai school ki bala bei pisa da ka sarkar bar kinoi kai school shimet dani kinoi kai ha ki private school.
See, when we talk about the government, we are talking about the education system. If the education system crumbles, the entire system crumbles. So we will make the education system better. You will see a lot of things are going to change next year when it comes to the education system. A lot of things are going to change. And then, maybe right now you will not understand. Maybe right now you will be angry. Maybe right now you will not be able to digest what I'm telling you. But next year, when you see change is slowly coming, then you will understand that the fight that we had was not useless. The fight that we had is important, and the fight that we had is going to be remembered from generation to generation, because this, like I said over there, this is the genesis of change. This is the genesis of the change of the education system. I have stated there should be only 3 different sets of teachers in the state of Meghalaya. I feel most, I will tell you, I feel most for the private teachers. I feel most for the private teachers. Because the private teachers in the state of Meghalaya are the ones who are suffering the most. They are suffering more than us. What is their salary? 3,000. And they do not have any association. Why? The moment they have an association, it's goodbye. So we, from FASToM, we are also going to take that responsibility that we will look for their rights.